Well, we're on track to get this TRAK 2.0 put away. So let's get it washed off. I have removed some of the items here to make it simpler. I've taken out the seat, I've taken out the jacks, taken out the combing, as well as the gear flotation bags, and of course the C-sock. So it just makes it a little easier to get cleaning up here. It's disassembled a bit. So let's start. We'll wash the top decks, we'll wash the side, and of course we'll wash the bottom. We want to get all that salt water off, get it nice and freshly cleaned. So to empty the inside out, I find it best you can just lift it up, get any water out. Get the water out. Now we'll give it a quick dry with a towel. All right, now we have just a towel, nothing good, just give it a quick wipe. Just dry it off. Now that we have our frame all dry, we're gonna just do a little bit more maintenance on it. We have a MX5 here, it's a lanolin-based product, and we'll just put quite a few squirts on here. And then we just give it a light rub. The point of this is to keep the saltwater corrosion down, as well as it helps to lubricate everything so that when we put the frame back together, as well as slide it into the skin and other components, it helps to make assembly easier. We're going to do all metal components with this, so let's get this finished and we'll keep going. We've got the frames done. Let's move on to the jacks. Like I said, all metal components. A couple areas to pay attention to on these is the shaft here. We want to make sure that that's good and clean. We can also work at the valves and the jack handle. We just want to make sure everything's good, clean and dry. And with a little bit of MX5, it just keeps it polished and running smoothly. All right, just to aid in getting this cuter closed, we're gonna put a little MX5 on the cuter cord here. So I like to just put a couple squirts on my fingertips, just slide it down, and we just do both sides. Now we'll close it up. Wasn't that slick?